If you are new to the channel, we are Richard and Deanne, an Aussie couple who packed up our lives in Australia to embark on an exciting new adventure in France. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Oh, wonderful.
Tom did suggest this corner.
We have access. The Lightwell in the staircase has always been a bit of a puzzle. How do you tackle cleaning dirty panels suspended 8 metres up with access only through a tiny pane of glass or the skylight? Definitely not your run-of-the-mill cleaning job. We jokingly dubbed it Mission Impossible. And for good reason. Our architect Isabelle suggested a company that specialises in abseiling for tricky situations like this.
The access way for the Abseiling crew. As you can see, they've come through this manhole here. They've shoved the ropes through the holes. Hello? Above? Excuse? Where? They're doing a brilliant job. One's doing the work and one's the spotter. So to get easy or it goes up a little, the other one comes up here now. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done on this Lightwell too. Need some decent repairs.
Enter Nikko and Adrian, our fearless abseilers. These guys were not only incredibly professional, but also super friendly, and they absolutely nailed the job. The most difficult task was they could not put any weight on the panels because they were so fragile. But thanks to them, we've turned what was a daunting task into something much more manageable. The timing had to align with the ongoing roof renovation to ensure access and to repair the large skylight, so we wouldn't be dealing with the problem again anytime soon.
Je vais poser dans l'autre sens.
Hello.
Ah bah ouais.
Non, c'est bon. Non, il est bien, je vais aller dans le...
C'est un peu le bout de l'aspiration, on va voir.
Oui. Je vais aller dans le... finir le coin derrière. Vas-y.
Let's go.
Such a big difference. Even the first clean. Like, wow. And this is just the initial, and they're coming back to really, really clean it. But the light that's come into this room, this Lightwell now, the stairwell, is so different.
Tomorrow, as you just said, they're going to give it a second clean, but underneath it's also dirty as well.
Yeah.
They're going to have a quick go, see if they can get it from
This side,
Yes.
yeah, that we're looking at,
Yes, dust
yeah,
and whatever.
that would be fabulous. So how are they going to do that though?
We also want the top one.
Yeah.
We already did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but tomorrow we're gonna make the outside part. We're gonna finish by this place.
Can you notice the difference in light, Richard? It's like so bright in here.
It's good to see it during summer to see what
Yeah.
the maximum light.
Yeah.
Of course, for those who don't love the panels, this is just a temporary fix. If we were to dream about a more permanent solution, well, let's just say the cost would make our eyes water. So for now, we're sticking with dreaming.